Hello viewers, Ubuntu 26.04 is released. Today I'll show you how to install Ubuntu as dual boot with existing Windows setup with manual partitioning. If you are new to Linux, this video might help you. First, I'll make a separate partition to install Ubuntu on that, so my other partitions won't be affected while installing Ubuntu. As you can see, I have three main partitions, one for backup, one has Mac OS installed on that, and last one is Windows. I'll shrink Windows partition and use that shrinked space as new partition for Ubuntu. After setting shrink partition size, it will create a new empty space. Now on this unallocated space, right-click and select New Simple Volume and continue with Next options. Partition is ready. Let's boot to Ubuntu installer from USB. You can use Rufus or Balena Etcher to make bootable Ubuntu installer. After Ubuntu installer is loaded, you can follow the on-page instruction to set your language, keyboard and network first. On Apps option, select Extended Selection for getting Office and other necessary apps installed. Select Proprietary Software option so you have all drivers installed. On How do you want to install Ubuntu page, select Manual Installation. New users often erase their disks on this step. Now on Partitioning page, find the partition you created before. Select it and click on Change. On Edit Partition screen, set Used as to extension 4, and set Mount Point to Home, which is shown as /. Check if Windows Boot Manager partition is set to boot EFI. If not, set it to boot EFI. After these two partition selection is done, click Next. Set your user account details and click Next. This is Overview page. Recheck partitions and make sure your other partition stays as unchanged. Then click Install. This will take some time, so let's fast forward. Installation done. Now let's restart and check if everything working. Looks like everything working as expected without any issues. Ubuntu 26.04 has some ads, also it's integrated Snap in many commands as well. I'm planning to make a video about how you can disable Snap and enable Flatpak easily. If you are a new Linux user and want to have Flatpak on Ubuntu, please subscribe so you will get my update soon after it's published. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.